Lovely people, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Chigirl Remedies. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. So I'm gonna share with you guys home remedy to just whiten your teeth in less than 2 minutes. Make sure you watch this video to the end. At the end of this video, I'm gonna share with you guys how to use it for better results. So without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into the video. But if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that button down below and turn up your notification bell so to be notified whenever I upload a new video. The first thing we need here is our garlic. So I'm gonna peel off the back of the garlic. I'm making use of 3 here, so I'll just grate it. Next I'm gonna add here is tomatoes. If you have the big one, you can go ahead and use the big one. I'll just cut it, just squeeze it. Just mix everything very well. So the next I'm gonna add here is our sense soda. So you can see is teeth repair and protect. So go ahead and use other of the sense soda, but I'm using this sense soda repair and protect. Okay, so I'll just add and I'll mix everything together. So the next I'm gonna add is salt. Mix everything together. So this is what you need to just remove that dirt from your teeth and have white teeth. In just 2 minutes, it will just remove the dirt and give you fresh breath and you have white teeth. It works, guys. Want and just use it to brush your teeth. Brush your teeth very well. Just give it a thorough brush. Make sure you brush the area, inside area, so that it will remove every dirt from your teeth and just to whiten the teeth. This thing will work so well. It just 2 minutes. 2 minutes, it will just see the result. It will remove that brown teeth and just whiten your teeth and give you fresh breath. Go ahead and try it. Here comes the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys love it, hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share the video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that button down below and turn up the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye, guys. See you guys in my next video.